What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a quick little review of the Magpul PTS PMag. Alright guys, now that you saw a whole bunch of pictures of the mag, we're pretty much just going to talk about it. This mag works very well. It's a Hicap. It's a 360 round Hicap mag, and I'm just double checking that here. Yep. It's a Stanag mag, which most people just call M4 mags because that's primarily what they're used in. But the official name is Stanag. S-T-A-N-A-G, in case you were wondering. But it works great. I use it in the Echo 1 Robinson Armament XCR, and it's a nice fit in the gun. It's a little bit snug, but I'd rather have it be snug than loose. And I'll have a little picture of that too. It's got all these nice ridges and stuff, gives it a nice feel when you hold it and when you load it, and just it looks overall just really good in your gun. I really like Magpul. They make some nice stuff. The mag feeds excellently. I have not had any misfeeds or jams or anything caused by the mag here. It winds really nice. It's just a very good mag, and I'll have a link to this mag on evic.com in the video description. And the price of this mag, if I can find it out right here, is $28. So it's not that bad. For a Magpul mag, it's not too bad. It's really nice. You got the PMag license there, 30 rounds. Even though we all know it doesn't hold 30, but it's still cool that they have the licensing. And then they have all that, which I'm not a fan of, but whatever. What are you gonna do? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video review of the Magpul PMag Airsoft Hicap magazine. There's really not too much you can say about these magazines. You know, it's just that they feed well, they look good, and I'm just really happy with it. So I'll see you guys later. We'll be right back.